on, guys? Welcome back to another video. We got the hood right here. Still got to bring it back to Zach to get it finished up, but it is looking insanely better. But now that we're back from Gatton, I don't need my hood really. Yeah, but car is very, very incomplete, but we got the engine bay looking all right. I want to paint this. This is what I really want to paint, make it look a lot better and flow with this paint that I did a little bit better. But let's get into a little drive. I'm about to go grab some food. Please do not cook my alignment. I know it's off. I need to fix it. Really? God, guys, I love the way that this turbo sounds. It's actually unreal. Shout out Comp Turbo for making a beast of a turbo. Cannot wait to turn this car up. We're sitting at real low horsepower right now, but honestly, I've just been having a blast with this thing. Took it to Tennessee. You guys can see some of those clips in the last video if you haven't watched that, but it's really been a blast. Best decision I've ever made was to build this motor. Now I know I got something reliable that I can obviously have fun with, somewhat reliable. But yeah, no, this car's been great to me so far. Knock on wood with my luck. You know what? Take the little bit more scenic route, see if we can see some trees. Even though one time I was in this area that I'm about to take and got yelled at for fishing a pond over there. That was no fun. Even though we're on low boost, I want to see if I can get a run in with somebody. I gotta find somebody that wants to line it up with me. The one area that I want to take that's a little bit more scenic, the trees are like barely changing colors even though we're in like mid-October right now. I'm thinking about hooking you guys up on the rear hatch over there, or the rear hatch window, see if you can hear the turbo a little bit better. But right now we're gonna get the POV driving. Bro's hooping right now. Come on. Ooh, he drained that joint too. Come on. Yeah, guys, I really need to get a freaking tire for this thing though. Even though it's on a low boost, it's definitely gets slippery on the road with these tires. Shout out Trump. You already know. Damn, they have like 19. There's a few houses through here voting for Trump, huh? Comment down below if you think I should get Wild Lagunas or if I should get... Oh, that's cool. That is real cool. Skeleton riding a dirt bike. But you think I should get Wild Lagunas or S71s, I believe? Yeah. I'm kind of hinting more towards the S71s just because I don't know, that's like I feel like everybody with the Z goes on the S71 setup, but I don't know, I just think they would look so clean with this color, chrome lip, black face, looks so good. Should not have taken this way. This light takes forever. For being October, we got some really nice weather going on, guys. I'm really surprised. It's like mid-October. Yesterday was freezing. Today's like 70 something. All right, yep, this light is gonna take about 17 years. But we're in Mexico, so those lights are gonna take a bit longer, you know? I'm gonna show you guys how slippery this thing gets. Alright, should be changing right about, yeah, there we go, now we're dialed. Yeah, she gets, she's a little bit slippery.
Show you how you could get picked up. Bad bitch in the back with no ring on. Who is here once I get off, get off.